Because today I was telling about how to use Instagram. For that, I was going to Instagram account. Here you can see we have the your story. Here your story means if you need to mention any story means just mention here. Take a picture and mention here. Here we have the close friends and I was mentioning. So here we have the plus symbol. So on that you can share your post, story, reel, or if you like to make a live means it's a live video. It was passing few seconds and it was a live video and you live. So it's the one option, and you cut off from a live video means it's now my live video was ended. And here it was the messages. If you like to message anybody means just make a message to him. And here we have the different types of emojis. Just long press and emoji message. So here we have the different types of emojis to react them. And here we have different types of Instagram accounts, and here it's a search bar. So here you can see the reels, and here we have the different types of post and Instagram reels. And here it was a reels option, and here it is the edit profile. If you click on edit profile means here you have the username bio links, and it locks the gender also. And here I was putting on mail. And here we have the different types, and this is the way to use your Instagram account. Thank you.